In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch between Bluehost's dashboard and cPanel. First things first, let's begin by logging into your Bluehost account manager. If you're not already familiar with this step, you'll want to ensure you have your account credentials at hand, as you'll need them to access your account. Once you're on the main login page of Bluehost, simply enter your username and password, and click the Login button to continue. Once you've successfully logged in, your journey takes you to the main dashboard view of your Bluehost account. Here, you'll find various options, but for now, we'll focus on the task at hand, accessing your cPanel. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen. There you'll notice a navigation pane with several options. You'll want to direct your attention to the Hosting tab, which is prominently displayed. Give that a click, and it will lead you to a new screen. Now, what happens next might depend on whether you have just one hosting package with Bluehost or if you manage multiple packages. If your account includes only one hosting package, you'll automatically find yourself on its overview page. This is great because it saves you a step or two. However, if you have multiple packages, you'll need to take an extra moment to locate the specific package you want to manage. Once you've found the appropriate one, click on the Manage button to proceed. With that done, you're now a step closer to accessing your cPanel. The next thing you need to do is scroll down the page to find the Quick Links section. This area serves as a gateway to some of the most commonly used features, providing quick and easy access to what you need. Keep your eyes peeled for the cPanel button. It's usually hard to miss, and when you find it, go ahead and click it. Clicking on the cPanel button will open your cPanel in a new browser tab. This is your control panel, packed with powerful tools that help you manage everything from domains to web files, databases, and email accounts. It's your central hub for website management, so being comfortable navigating between Bluehost's dashboard and cPanel is crucial for efficient web management. There you have it. You've successfully switched from Bluehost's dashboard to cPanel, and it wasn't too difficult, was it? With just a few straightforward steps, you can move seamlessly between these two important tools. Practice this process a couple of times, and soon enough, it will become second nature. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough makes your web management tasks a whole lot simpler. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips and tutorials.